105 Carver Street in Lake Wales, Florida, a little after 6 p.m. on Monday, October 15th. Today, two individuals trespassed onto our property and vandalized it. They were particularly interested in a feed, a line that was buried. The video slot is on Xfinity Home Security between 11:25 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. and it shows the individuals gaining access to the property, making a beeline for the back of the property, moving something, lifting something up. It's hard to see here, but there's a little sort of snake trail there. So it went from the corner of the house down here, and then they went all the way over to the utility pole. And this is what I've been begging Comcast to come out and take care of for at least 6 months. This will be provided to Comcast corporate office in Philadelphia, to the police, to the FBI, anybody else who's interested.